Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, October the 6th. Today in pre-calculus, we finished up day 4 of the chapter 2 syllabus, or rather chapter 3 syllabus. And I will share my screen and show you one of the types of problems that we did today. So if you remember, yesterday we talked about if you have a logarithmic function, you have in the log form, it would be log base A, or let's say, we'll just say log base 2 of x equals y. That's what we call the log form. In the exponential form, we had kind of a counterclockwise rotation, which went from the 2 to the y and back. So in exponential form, this is 2 to the y equals x. Now, so one of the types of problems we looked at today, you're looking at a function like y equals e to the x, so I'll write it over here, y equals e to the x, and we want to find the inverse of this function. Now, so if you look at the pattern that we have here, the e is the base, it goes where the 2 went, and if I have log base e, that's the natural log. So we have the natural log ln of, now, if you'll notice the y is where the x is and the x is the argument. So I put natural log of y equals x. So then I would go backwards, I would have e to the x equals y. Now, if I'm looking for an inverse, remember what I do is I swap my variables here. So the inverse of e to the x equals y would be the natural log of x equals y. Okay, now that's the type of problem we looked at. We also looked at some other problems. If you look in your textbook to find the translations and the transformations of exponential and logarithmic functions are exactly the same as transformations for polynomial functions and rational functions and those. So if you check through your book, one of your homework problems is something similar to this one. If you have any questions about any of the others, if you'll send me an email, and I'll get back to you. We'll start tomorrow with lesson 5, which is changing some forms, and we're working toward solving exponential and logarithmic equations at the end of the chapter. So once again, if you have any questions, send me an email and I will get back to you.